Very good morning, dear students. So, let us begin today's lecture. Before that, let us have a quick recap of what we have seen yesterday. So, yesterday we have studied zeros of a polynomial, then to find value of a polynomial at a specific value of x. Okay, so these things we have seen yesterday, and today let us begin with the exercise. Let us apply what we studied yesterday. So let us see the first question. So the question is, find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2. Okay, so one by one we are going to find it for all the three conditions. So let us find for the first one at x is equals to 0. Okay, so first you write, let p of x is equals to your given polynomial. What it is? 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now find p of x at x is equals to 0. So it will be p of 0. Replacing, no? Yesterday we have seen. We are going to replace x by 0 everywhere now to find p of 0. So 5, replace x by 0. 5x, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square, that is 0. So let us write it as 0 square plus 3. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So it is going to be 5 into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. So even if we don't write this, or let it be. So the answer will be 3. Okay, so p of 0 or p of x at x is equals to 0 is equal to 3. Clear? Now similarly find for the next two. I'll rub this. Second is, find p of x at x is equals to minus 1. So at x is equals to minus 1 we are going to find. So let p of x be the given polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now replace, to find the value of the polynomial at x is equals to minus 1, we need to replace x with minus 1 everywhere. So p of minus 1 will be equal to 5 into minus 1. X means what? Minus 1. We are replacing x with minus 1. Minus 4 into x square. So that is minus 1 square. Plus 3 constant as it is. So 5 into minus 1 plus into minus is minus. So it will be minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 square is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. It will be plus 1. So 4 into 1 it will be. And 4 into 1 is nothing but, minus 4 into 1 is nothing but minus 4. So even if you don't write this, doesn't matter. Plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4. Same signs are there. So you will add 5 plus 4, 9. But you will give negative sign. Plus 3. Different signs are there. So you will subtract and give bigger numbers sign. So 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. But you will give negative sign because the bigger number is negative. So the answer will be minus 6. So the value of polynomial at x is equals to minus 1 is minus 6. Similarly solve for the next one at x is equals to 2. I'll rub it, okay. So this one is third. We need to find the value of polynomial at x is equals to 2. So let the polynomial be p of x is equals to the given polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now we need to find it for x is equals to 2. So p of 2 will be equal to, replace x with 2 everywhere. So it will be 5 into x, that is 5 into 2 minus 4 into x square. So 4 into 2 square plus 3 as it is. 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. First solve for the same sign numbers. So same sign means what? 10 is positive, 3 is positive. Positive, positive, add them. 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 16 as it is. Different signs, subtract. So 16 minus 13 will be 3, and give bigger number sign. Bigger number is 16 and it is having negative sign, so your answer will be minus 3. Clear? So value of the polynomial at x is equals to 2 is minus 3. Now let us move to the next question. So the second question is, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. And the first polynomial is p of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. So we need to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. It is same question but only asked in different way. Okay. So p of 0 means what? We need to find value of this p of y at x is equals to 0. Then p of 1 means what? We need to find p of 1 means what? We need to find value of the polynomial at y is equals to 1. Then the third one, we need to find p of 2 means what? We need to find p of y at y is equals to 2, and we know that how to do it. Clear? The question is same, only the way of asking is different. Okay, so solve for it. So first solve for p of 0. Find p of 0. How you are going to solve it? Replace y by 0 everywhere in the polynomial. So y square, so 0 square. Minus y means minus 0. Plus 1. It is equal to 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So p of 0 for this given polynomial will be 1. Now find for second what is asked? P of 1. Find p of 1. Replace y by 1. So it will be 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 1 square remain. 1 square is what? 1 only. Now find p of 2. P of 2 will be equal to, replace y everywhere by 2. So it will be y square, that is 2 square minus y minus 2 plus 1. It will be equal to 4. 2 square is what? 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Or you can do it same sign how I told you. Solve for the same signs. 4 is positive, 1 is positive. So 4 plus 1, 5. What remains? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Clear? So we found p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for this given polynomial. So this was the first question. Now let us see what is second question. Your second question is, p of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So this is your question. Now we need to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for this given polynomial. Same way you will do it. Okay. So let us solve for p of 0. Find p of 0. How you are going to find p of 0? Replace t by 0 everywhere in the polynomial. So 2 is constant, write as it is, plus t, replace t by 0, plus 2 into t square, that is 2 into 0 square is 0 only, minus t cube, that is 0 cube, 0 cube is 0 only. So what remains? 0, 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0 only. No? So all these three terms will become 0. What remains? This 2. Or I will write this here only, equal to 2. So p of 0 is 2 for this given polynomial. Same way find p of 1. How you are going to find p of 1? Replace t by 1 everywhere in the equation. So write this 2 as it is. Replace this first t with 1 plus 2 into t square, 2 into 1 square minus t cube. Replace t by 1. So it will be 1 cube. Now solve for it. 2 plus 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. so minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, or plus 1 minus 1 0. 2 plus 2, what remains? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So P of 1 is equal to 4 for this polynomial. Now what is asked? Find P of 2. So P of 2 will be equal to, replace T everywhere by 2. So it will be 2 as it is, plus T. T is your 2, plus 2T square. T is replacing with 2, so 2 square, minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube. Now solve for it. 2 plus 2, 4. This 2 plus 2, 4 I have written. Then plus 2 into 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 2 is what? 8. Minus 2 cube is what? 8. So plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. What remains? 4. So the answer for P of 2 will be equal to 4. Getting? Then the third question is, P of x is equals to x cube. Same way you will do it. Find P of 0 for it, find P of 1 and find P of 2 for it. So what will be P of 0 for it? The first one, P of 0. Replace x with 0. 0 cube is what? 0 only. Then find P of 1. Replace x by 1. 1 cube, x cube, no? So 1 cube. So 1 cube is what? 1 only. Then find P of 2. X cube, so 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. Clear? Easy? I think very easy. Now let us see last sub question of this 4. P of x is equals to x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay? Now solve for it. If you will notice, it is algebraic identity. It is a formula. X plus 1, x minus 1. It is a formula for x square minus 1 square. Right? It is a formula for a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. I'll do it for you. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a plus b and a minus b is given. So it will be equal to a square minus b square. Here a is what? X, and b is what? 1. So a square minus b square. It's an identity. Okay. Just even if you don't solve it, even if you keep it as it is and solve, it doesn't matter. You will get the same answer. But putting the value in this is more easier, no? So let us do it by this way. So first find P of 0. This is your P of x. So P of 0, replace x by 0. So 0 square minus 1 square. 0 square is 0 and 1 square is 1. So minus 1. Now remember, here it is not like this. Minus 1 square is plus 1. But here minus 1 square is there. Minus is outside. Getting? That's why that minus as it is, and 1 square is plus 1. Plus 1 into that minus sign will come minus 1 only. Then next one is find P of 1. P of 1, replace x by 1. So x square, 1 square minus 1 square. 1 square minus 1 square, 0. Then find P of 2. 2 square minus 1 square. 4 minus 1. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. Now even if you don't use the identity and then put the values, still you will get the same answer. See here, P of 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. And 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. You got that same answer. Now check it for 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And 0 into anything is 0 only. You got 0. Then P of 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into what? 2 plus 1, 3. 1 into 3 is 3. You got 3. So even if you don't use the identity and solve for it, doesn't matter. Okay. So here we complete the second question. Now tomorrow we will see the third question. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Take care and be at home. Bye.